Welcome to Biology Parshala. Today's class is dedicated for 12th class student and reference is biotechnology. My some student says that please ma'am give a one video for English medium students, so I decided to give one video as well as a more video for the English medium student. So the today's topic is that genetic engineering and the unit is biotechnology. Before start the biology parshala, I would like to give a message for all students. This is a motivation message. I think that the motivation message is very useful in our life. It's work as a remedy. So today's series of motivation is that keep work hard for your study and do whatever you want in your life. So keep work hard. Today's topic is that the genetic engineering and the unit is biotechnology and the application of biotechnology. And the first most prominent question is that genetic engineering would not have been possible if there were absent. So the question is that genetic engineering would not have been possible if there were absent. In this question, we implement the law of elimination. Elimination law helps to got a correct and find answer any question given by any examination. So the first option is that RNA synthetase. This is not an appropriate answer because RNA synthetase is maybe help in the process of the synthesis, though this is not appropriate. DNA polymerase is the enzyme and helps in the different type of manufacturing of DNA. So or as well as the RNA polymerase is in RNA. So this is not appropriate. Reverse transcriptase is the help in the process of the transcription. So in this we implement the elimination law. We found the DNA ligase. DNA ligase is the enzyme which seal the two cut of the DNA. We can say that two segment of a DNA, and this is the ligase or a DNA ligase enzyme. And DNA ligase enzyme is used in present time. DNA ligase is used in the field of biotechnology. So the answer of the genetic engineering would be not have been possible. There were absent. If there were absent, that is DNA ligase. If DNA ligase is absent, the genetic engineering not be possible. So the second most prominent question is that the branch of biology dealing with the betterment of the human race through the heredity is called. So this is the branch of biology, that is the eugenics. Eugenics deal with the branch of biology dealing with the betterment of the human race through the heredity is called the eugenics. So this is the direct answer we can understand. Okay, and we do this answer. We got this answer by the elimination route. We know that the genetics is the branch of biology, or in this branch of biology we read or we learn that the one character is transferred to another character with the help of genetic material. Okay, and the eugenics and the evolution is related with the development of animals. So this is we can say that the branch of biology dealing with the betterment of the human race through the heredity is called the eugenics, and eugenics is a very important for the new and development biology and as well as the betterment human race through the heredity is. So the third most prominent question is that the prokaryotic genetic system has without. So this question is the right answer is the DNA without histone. So prokaryotic genetic is none without DNA histones, because DNA histone is the protein of DNA. So this is the right answer, that the prokaryotic genetic system has DNA without histone. And the most prominent question is that next question is the eukaryote and the prokaryotic genetic system. So the answer is that prokaryotic system lack a histone present in eukaryotes. So prokaryotic systems may have a lack of histone and present in eukaryotes. So prokaryotes have a lack of histone and histone is present in the eukaryote. This will be a right answer. The next question is that restriction enzyme is isolated chiefly from. So restriction enzyme is isolated chiefly from fungi. No, it is not treated. Algae and fungi is not appropriate answer. Protozoans is the wrong answer. Prokaryote because restriction enzyme is a used in a variety of different type of manufacturing of a artificial DNA or a clone. So it is treat with the prokaryotic cells like bacteria or E. coli and E. coli. So the right answer is the restriction enzymes are isolated chiefly from the prokaryote. Next question is that restriction enzymes are used in the genetic engineering because of they can join different DNA fragment. No. Restriction enzyme is no. Then they can join the DNA fragment. No. Restriction enzyme is the molecular scissor or a molecular cleave. They cut the DNA fragment. Understand, student here? They cut the both strand, that is the palindromic strand 3' to 5' and the 5' to T' and seal with the DNA ligase. So this is not the appropriate answer. Next is they are the nucleases that cut the DNA at the variable size, but this is not a appropriate answer according to this question. And the next is they are the proteolytic enzyme which can be degrade harmful protein. This is a correct answer, but this is not a appropriate answer according to this question. The question is that restriction enzymes are used in the genetic engineering because they can cut a DNA a specific base sequence, and the specific base sequence name is that the palindromic sequence, and the palindromic sequence is that 3' to 5' and 5' to 3'. Restriction enzyme type second is most probably used in genetical engineering for made a different type of a clone in the field of biotechnology, and they cut the two fragment of a DNA with the specific sequence, that is the palindromic sequence, that is the 5' to 3' and 3' to 5'. I already discussed the last class of my inter-college that I discussed to students, that is what is the restriction enzyme and what is the application of restriction enzyme in the field of biotechnology. So next question is that genes which confer antibiotic resistance on the bacteria are located. So so this is gene which we confer the antibiotic resistance on the bacteria are located. So bacteria are located. The bacterial DNA or a prokaryotic DNA is that the circular DNA, and the eukaryotic DNA is the linear DNA. I already discussed in my class. So that the answer is that the gene which confer the antibiotic resistance on the bacteria are located, that is the plasmid. And the next question is that introducing one or a more genes into an organism which does not normally possess them or their deletion by using artificial means, not by the breeding, comes under the so introducing the one or a more genes or into an organism, okay, understand now, which does not normally possess them or their deletion by using artificial means. So this technique is, or this application is used in the directly in genetic engineering, not a gene hybridization, not a cytogenesis. Cytogenesis is a branch of biology, treat with the cells, and the molecular biology is the basis of the DNA and the RNA. So right answer is the genetic engineering. In this field of genetic engineering, we make a different type of a clone, and for the growth factor, for any type of disease and disorder, for the vaccine, and as well as the field of biotechnology. So the right answer is genetic engineering. Next question. Each restriction enzyme is cleave a molecular at a. So This is the question that each restriction enzyme cleave a molecules. So this question is remember that the restriction enzyme or a molecular seizure. So the answer is end of the genes. No, restriction enzyme never cleave a end of the genes. Methyl group, no 3 prime is not a correct answer, because restriction enzyme always cleave a DNA fragment into a 3 prime to 5 prime or a 5 prime to 3 prime direction, and these both the type of direction is known as the palindromic sequences. That is the palindromic sequences. I give you one example. Please saw this way. This is a linear DNA, and this is the 3 prime to 5 prime direction and the 5 prime to 3 prime direction. These DNA or a linear DNA is a eukaryotic DNA. We can say that the plant as well as the animal, and these both sequences known as the palindromic sequences. So the question is that each enzymes cleave a molecule at the particular nucleotide sequences, and these specific nucleotide sequences is the palindromic sequences, and that is also known as the palindromic sequences. That is the 3 prime to 5 prime and 5 prime to 3 prime. And the next and the last question is that are in the recombinant DNA technology, or it is also known as the R technology, a plasmid vector must be a cleaved by. So the answer is the particular nucleotide sequences. And the next question is, in the recombinant DNA technology, a plasmid vector must be a cleaved by. So the heated alkaline solution, it is not an appropriate answer. The recombinant DNA, a plasmid vector must be a cleaved by specific sequences. So this is not an appropriate answer. 4 separate enzyme, this is not also appropriate answer. Modified DNA ligase. DNA ligase used in the two DNA segment attached or is sealed by the DNA ligase enzyme. The right and the correct answer is the same enzyme that cleave the donor gene for attachment of the foreign DNA. So this is the right answer for the in recombinant DNA technology. A plasmid vector must be cleaved by the same enzyme that is cleave the donor gene. I hope the 10 minutes is over, and today's class is the MCQ class or a PY class for 12th class student, and this is dedicated to both student and especially dedicated to English medium student. I hope today's class is if you like, I hope all students like my today's Pashala. To all students, and thanks to all to watch my Pashala.